And a big hello to all of you. Finally, today I launched my new YouTube channel with the name Knowledge Snippets with DRST. The onslaught of pandemic has taught us a great lesson. A lesson that learning should not be confined to the four walls of the classroom. With the use of ICT, we have demonstrated our solidarity in the face of the adversity of epidemic. The role of ICT has increased manifold, or we can comfortably assert that it has become an inevitable part of our lives today. And as academicians, we have to shoulder and contribute our part. Thus, the role of an academician involves creating a pool of resources that can be accessed anytime and from anywhere. We've come to understand that this parallel resource generation has to be embraced. So, in line with this academic and professional agenda, I am creating an exclusive channel for serving the educational purpose. This channel is about being more focused, goal oriented, productive, and creative, both in personal life, for example, in matters which are related to self development, goals, time management, and in career, where I'll be concentrating on topics which are more relevant to my domain. On the whole, my aim is to make this channel a useful resource for students, scholars, and faculty. Many more things are lined up, like having some live session on important occasions or as and when the need arises. When it comes to the name of the channel as Knowledge Snippets, let me share with you all what came to my mind, or what was the reason that I chose this name. Knowledge is the accumulation of facts and data that you have learned about or experienced. The purpose of knowledge is action. Without taking action, knowledge simply becomes more knowledge. If you are accumulating knowledge just for the sake of knowing it, what impact are you making? For example, if you read a book, it can give you some input, but then will that be sufficient? No. But can you deny the importance of the knowledge there? No. Who can convert knowledge into wisdom? At the most, you can acquire knowledge, but with the synthesis, you can convert that into wisdom. So that is the reason I chose the name as Knowledge Snippets. Wisdom is the ability to discern and judge which aspects of that knowledge that you have acquired are applicable in what context. It is this sense of discernment that is required for all of us. And the first step in that direction is acquiring knowledge. So through this channel, I will post short videos as per the subject and the scope of the topic in discussion on various aspects, as I already said, related to life and learning, apart from English language learning, soft skills, Indian writing in English, British poetry, women's writing, and cultural studies. I don't want to make it a tall order for me. That is the reason in the initial stages I will try to upload at least 2 or 3 videos. I hope I'll be able to at least generate good material by the end of the month. So with these few words, I am sure you all will help me, you all will support me to support you. And let's join hands, grow together. Do subscribe and follow. Namaskar. Jai Hind.